Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to be talking about the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you like my content, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I drop new content on my channel. Let's jump in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Supcase SPen case for the Z Fold5. So as you can see here, this is compatible with the SPen Fold 4 version, which is this one. All right. And it's also compatible with the Z Fold5 SPen. All right. So you can see the size difference here. All right. Much thinner, thicker, but it works with both. And the reason why it does, because you have this guy in the back. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get this opened. All right, so you have 3 of these guys here for the Z Fold5 SPen. So you just drop it in there. So it pretty much will make it the size of this here. All right, so let's see here. Looks like it goes in just like so. And there you have it, a little shorter, but the case should hold it. And you got 2 other colors you can do as well. So this is a clear, close to the icy blue that's on the Z Fold5. Then you have this kind of smoke gray one that I have in here right now. So with that stated, let me get this off of here. All right, get that off. Take this plastic off, or film. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the bottom part in first, just like so. And as you can see, this case has the adhesive strip. I'm not gonna use it. Not for this video, at least. Then as you look at the other part of the case, it has this sticky adhesive. I'm gonna leave that on there for now. Let's drop the phone in there. All right. And then there you have it. All right. Really nice. You can see the back cut out there for the cameras or the lenses. A little closer so you can see how thick it is. All right. Top cutouts, reinforced grip on the sides. Then you got the bottom cutouts. You have a kickstand. All right. So it can sit just like that, even like so. All right, then close that up. Let me open it up. Easy access to the fingerprint reader. All right, really nice. Now, as far as the holster, you can see those 3 lines there. You just slide that down. You can pop the SPen right in here just like so, and it holds it. Slide it back up. Now when it's time to put your Z Fold5 in this holster, you don't start at the top, you start at the bottom. It has the smooth surface. Drop it just like so. All right. and then kind of push it in there. You just push it and it'll snap in place. All right, you're good to go. Now, when you're ready to get your fold out, you peel this back here, the top part, and stick your finger here, push it up, just like so. And your phone will come right out, and it's good to go. Now, removing the SPen from this case or this holster is really easy. Slide that down, pull it back, take it right out. Now, if you're wondering, how on earth do you remove your Z Fold5 SPen from this protective cover, or you can call it an adapter for the holster? It's really easy. If you look closely, you can see these cutouts. Peel this back, just like so. Then you just pull it out. As you pull, you'll get a little bit of area to pinch. So you can just like kind of pinch it, roll that down some. This is silicone, so you should be fine. And pull it down just like that. Also note that this does swivel. So there you have it. Now, if you're interested in this Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro SPen case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, of course, there will be a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review for the